Hi guys, this is what I cook in a day. Yummy, yummy pork humba. If you want to learn on how to cook a yummy pork humba, please watch my upcoming cooking tutorial. Okay? How to cook pork humba a la pearl. Yummers. With pineapple, guys. Very tender. Ang sarap-sarap. Ayan. Luto na siya, guys. That's why I am now going to turn off the flame. Yan. Pata to, guys, eh. Pata team. Yan. Piliin nyo yung parte ng pata kasi malaman siya. Tapos, tamang ano lang. I-brace nyo muna yan, guys. Okay? Cooking tutorial coming soon. Abangan nyo, guys. Off na ni Mamshi. Yan. Bye and thanks for watching. Magsundo na din ako sa bulilit. God bless. Love you all, guys. Mwah.